How to pay with Afterpay at Walmart. First, you need to know that Afterpay doesn't work in Walmart stores, but you can use Afterpay to shop online through the Afterpay app for Walmart.com orders. So here's how you do it. You want to open up the Afterpay app. You will download and open the Afterpay app. You want to search for Walmart in the app's shopping section. Then you will shop through the app. You want to tap on Walmart inside the Afterpay app. This opens Walmart's site, but it keeps Afterpay connected while you shop. Next, you want to pick your items, usually things like household goods, everyday essentials, clothing, and tech. Depends on what's in stock. The fourth step will be checking out with Afterpay. When you're done, you want to go to checkout. Inside the app, Afterpay will generate a single-use virtual card you can use to pay. Use that virtual card like a credit card at Walmart's checkout. The fifth step will be paying in full. Afterpay splits your payments in 4 equal installments. Pay the first part now, the rest every 2 weeks. Make sure you have a debit or credit card linked to your Afterpay for automatic payments. And here are some important notes: no in-store use, no groceries or some restricted items, and online orders only via the Afterpay app. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.